Hey everybody. So I'm just going to do a quick review for you and let you know why I've been buying these Simplehuman garbage bags for years, 2, 3 years. So one thing I'll note right off the bat is, definitely they are a little bit more expensive, but highly worth it, and I'll tell you why. One thing is it's really convenient. So we have the Q, the Simplehuman Q garbage can, and it has a slot in the back, so it makes it really convenient. So when you pull your garbage bag out, you just have this readily available, so you can pull another one out. So that's really convenient, but it's not the major selling point for me on it, right? What I love about these are the only garbage bags that I've ever used that we haven't had to worry about leaking. So I've used really heavy duty bags in the trash can, and you put something in there that, wet or whatever. I've almost always had leaking problems or problems with it leaking from those other bags. These ones, you put something in there, and I have not once had a problem with them leaking, and it's been crazy. So I really love that. Another thing that's really cool about them is when you're pulling them out of this kind of built-in dispenser here, when you're close to running out, they have one that gives you a little warning on there. It says, hey, you might want to buy some more soon. So that's pretty cool if you want a reminder, need some help or whatever. But yeah, if you use this can or don't use a can, I highly recommend the bags either way.